AI coding companions turn requests into code quickly. But they may start before the team agrees on responsibilities, risks, and future needs. AI Software Architect adds this missing planning step inside the tool people already use. This is an installable Codex plugin. For this demo, I selected GPT-5.6 Sol. Users can work with their selected Codex model. One command starts a guided decision process with focused knowledge and safety checks, without another AI account, API key, or background service. This small expense app works today, but data import, categorization, reporting, and user interaction are mixed together. It must later support a desktop screen and more bank formats. Without a clear plan, quick changes today could cause expensive rework tomorrow. I asked the architect to compare suitable ways to structure the product. It uses relevant project information and presents realistic choices side by side. Each shows its fit, benefits, drawbacks, and assumptions. Rather than decide silently, it recommends an option and asks the team to approve it, revise it, or request more evidence. After approval, the architect saves the decision in 4 durable project files. They give the team and future coding sessions a shared plan. Safety checks allow only the expected architecture documents and verify that they were saved correctly. Application code remains unchanged and under human control. I built this project collaboratively in Codex with GPT-5.6 Sol. Codex helped turn the product idea into a working plugin, installation package, safety checks, and repeatable tests. GPT-5.6 helped me compare product, architecture, security, and platform choices. This accelerated development while leaving the final decisions with me. AI Software Architect helps teams agree before coding, keep decisions visible, and keep delivery aligned. It is open source, starts with Codex, and is designed for other coding assistants.